I don't know about you, but I've had a challenging week, so let's open a blind box. This one is the crying again. Appropriate. But let's open it up, okay? So far I've gotten 2 of the Duck U's twins. So let's hope I get a different one, period, okay? Let's see. I hope you all have had a better week than I. Alright. See who we got. And the trouble. There we go. Ah, it's a different one. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Girl, thank God. Whew. Don't make me cry. Let her cry, not me, okay? I don't need to do anymore. Oh, she is the cutest one, too. Love makes us cry. How adorable. I love her red feet. This is why I like these. Get you some. Get some. They're fun. I swear they make you happy.